Hey, hi everyone, Lisa here. I'm just recording another video, but this time on my other account. I'm going to save this account for like general information, things I'm learning. I learned a big, well, not a huge thing about how to not have to worry about blurring information, blurring personal information on a screen recording. So what happened was the other day I started recording my screen for a walkthrough of the Pizza Plan back office, and because I'm very new to being a program owner, I kind of forgot about that, or I just didn't realize that I could create a dummy account or a junk account with fake information that I could use for walkthroughs. So I was futzing around with trying to blur my information using the YouTube editor. That is not user friendly. Um, it doesn't really save like the area that I was trying to blur um, in my profile with all my address and stuff wouldn't stay that way, and it took forever to find out that it didn't work because it had to process all that information. So yeah, I learned a couple new little things yesterday, and once I did the test account it was like really easy. And something funny too, I had been looking on YouTube for a video to show me how to use the blurring feature. And because I looked for that, I found a video later on with someone demonstrating I guess it's a Chrome extension or add-on that will do that kind of thing. Well, I mean, I might take a look at it, but knowing that I can, I have this test account now or junk account, I don't even have to worry about fooling around. He was the guy that did this video was using a different editing software, and it seems that many of those are not user friendly and don't obscure your information reliably. So anyway, that's another like new thing I've learned as a new business. Well, I'm a site owner now, a program owner. I've been running my own business online for a little while now, but this is, I'm all new, so new to being a program owner, and I'm really learning what I don't know. And wow, I am becoming more familiar on a daily basis with my back office, my admin area. Did resolve the issue with the connection timeout error last week with my hosting um, company. They were they were really good about taking care of that for me. The next thing I have to figure out, because they needed my password and stuff to the admin, so I got to figure out how to change that now. I'm not that worried about it. I don't think they're going to mess with it. But that's another little thing I have to do, figure out how to change my admin password. So I'll be going through my cPanel and trying to figure that out next. But again, it's just, a new learning process every day. Oh, and then I also sent out an email in my Traffic Wave autoresponder and was trying to figure out whether I should use the 3-speak. I did upload the video that I recorded with the walkthrough to YouTube anyway, so I put that in the email on Traffic Wave because they have a little YouTube frame that you can just embed right into the email. That was pretty easy. So that's what is going on for the last couple of days. It took me several tries to get that video recorded. I think the whole screen recording thing and blurring out the personal information kind of threw me for a loop. So after that, it took a little while to get my took a little while to get a video recorded that I was more than a little happy with. Anyway, so I just wanted to share something new that I learned, and hope you're all having a great day. And maybe sometime soon I'll go live again. Have a great rest of your day, and we will see you again soon. And don't forget that tonight is Thursday Night Live. Um, John John will be streaming on his YouTube account and on Vim, and also on the CTP um, Facebook page at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. So we will hopefully see you there, or see you again around here. Bye bye now.